Hi babes, welcome back to Simply Fatima. If you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I am so excited about what this video is gonna be about. I am way overdue for this video and it is gonna be what I got myself for my birthday. So it's gonna be a Louis Vuitton birthday haul, basically a triple unboxing. Oh, and I just wanted to share with you all what I got myself for my birthday. If you're into luxury handbags, please stick around and see what I'll be unboxing and spilling the tea, because today we are drinking tea and we're comfortable and we're just gonna talk all things luxury handbags, specifically Louis Vuitton. Just so stick around if you're interested in that. Okay, babes? We'll start with the smaller item. So this item has already been featured in my multi-pochette accessoire video. I just showed the different strap options that you can use with that handbag. So it was a part of my birthday gift. I've been hunting down a 16mm monogram strap for the longest, and I finally got my hands on it, and here it is. It comes with the monogram print on this side, and on the back side or inside it has the LV. As you can see, the LV print on the back side, and it has this part of the monogram print on the front, and it comes with 2 attachable D-rings that you can attach to any bag, and it has gold hardware with just a little bit of vachetta on it, just a little bit. And here's some vachetta right here. And yeah, and it also comes with a shoulder pad. So right here has little ridges on the shoulder pad, and on this side it's the monogram print. And I thought this would be so nice to be able to change out bag straps and whatnot. So out of all the things I got for my birthday, this was the smallest item, so the smallest luxury good. So we're just gonna put that away. Here is a bigger box. Obviously it has a bigger item, and let's see, here's the dust bag. I think I know what this bag is from just feeling it. So here's the dust bag. Oh, yep. And I got the Odeon PM natural. It comes with a vachetta luggage tag with the LV on it. It comes in gold hardware with a double, and it's a double zip bag. See the double zippers, all gold hardware. The zip is gold as well. It has vachetta in the corners and also in the back corners. This bag specifically was made in France. The strap is on the inside of the bag, and the strap is also what influenced me to get a monogram strap, just because the strap is made out of vachetta, and it is semi-treated vachetta, so it's not as that bright vachetta that you would usually get. It's already treated, and it does come with gold hardware, and the strap is also adjustable. It's a pretty thick strap, so it will make wearing the bag comfortable, and it also comes with the D-rings. And so all the details about this bag will be in the description box, and I'll also link it. It has a magnetic front pocket, and what made me get this bag is I had the South Bank Damier Ebens crossbody bag like this, and sometimes it's a little too big, and I'm a very petite individual, and so I just wanted something a little bit smaller, and I want to also build up my monogram print collection, and I thought this would be the perfect bag because I love all things crossbodies, and this was just like the perfect bag for me. Now this bag does also come with treated leather that is black, so if you're not really a whole vachetta type of individual, or you want a more of a carefree bag, it does come in black, and it also comes in the MM size if you wanted something bigger than this. But I love this hobo style bag. It has great structure, like when you sit it up it stands, and even with me holding it up it's keeping its shape nicely, and I just really love this bag. I'm gonna try this bag on for you so you can see where it falls on me. And also the vachetta, or the bag, automatically comes pre-treated, so the bag already comes with a slight honey patina, and that's what I also love about it too. It's pretty aged. I have seen other videos on YouTube about people accidentally getting water on their vachetta on this bag, and they say it doesn't leave a stain or anything. I personally am not gonna test that out, but I know I'm happy that it's not like that very fresh leather, like at least it has some age to it. But as we all know, that in order to keep up the patina on our bags, we have to use a natural wipe, and we can just wipe down this bag. But yeah, with the strap, I'm gonna be very careful with the strap, just because, ladies, we put lotion on our body, our shoulders have lotions and stuff, so we have to be careful. We wear makeup. That's also what encouraged me to get the monogram strap, and I'll also show you what the monogram strap looks like on this particular bag. But with is it for the Odeon PM. I will have a very detailed review about wear and tear, what can fit inside, coming very soon. But I just wanted to share this bag with you because it is one of the items that I did get for my birthday, and I'm just so happy to have another monogram canvas piece. I'm just so in love with this bag. So here's the final view of it. Here's the front with the magnetic front pocket, and here is the back. And yes, I am so in love. So the Odeon PM, and I will link this in the description box. Okay, So the next item that I purchased is such a classic item from Louis Vuitton. I've been wanting this item for so long, even though I have a version of this particular item in monogram. I wanted it in a damier ebène print just because the strap and handles are very carefree because of the type of leather that these particular bags have. And the bag that I own and have owned for a while doesn't come with a crossbody strap, and I have the size up from the size that I purchased in this particular bag, and I'm just really excited to include this in my collection. And it's just so classic and just so sophisticated, and it can hold a lot. I'm just really excited to share this one with you because this is a timeless classic piece. And in this particular bag, I would suggest anybody get this bag as a starter bag because it will never ever go out of style. So here's the other box. Here it is. And I'm just gonna open the box, and here it is in its dust bag. Louis Vuitton dust bag. And we're just gonna set the box to the side. And yes, guys, I have the Speedy Bandolier 25. And what's so interesting about these Speedies, every Speedy I get for my birthday. My first Speedy was a monogram 30 Speedy, and I got it for my 16th birthday. And that one's just the regular classic Speedy 30, is not the Speedy 30 Bandolier. And so I love my Speedy 30, classic Speedy 30 in monogram. I love it to death. Like when it was my first bag, I got my first luxury bag, actually. My first Louis Vuitton ever. I was gifted to it at the age of 16. And I literally carried that bag everywhere. And that bag I still carry, but I don't carry it as much because now I'm into like smaller bags that I can wear as crossbodies, just because the Speedy 30 Classic, since it is only a top handle bag, it gets a little heavy sometimes, and I don't want to be carrying all that weight. And so I decided for my birthday this year, I was going to downsize my Speedy to a Speedy 25, and I wanted it in the damier ebène print because I don't have a Speedy in this print, and it's just so much more carefree. Like I don't have to worry about the vachetta. I can just wear it and just be in love with it. So here it is. Here's my new baby. I love her so much. I attached my lock on the side of the bag. I didn't attach it to the handles or anything, and I'm not gonna use it to lock my bag up because I don't leave my bags off on their own. This Speedy Bandolier is the updated version. It doesn't have shiny top handles. The top handles and the leather is matte. I will also link this bag in my description box if you guys are interested in it. But this is what the side looks like. This is the side with my lock, and then this is what the top looks like. Gold hardware, and I just love it so much. Now with the Speedy Classic that I have, there's only one zip, like how this one has two zippers on it. The Speedy Classic usually comes with one zip. Let me see if I can hold this up better. You guys can see. Yeah, see it has two zips. And since the Speedy Classic has one zip, it leaves for a more wider mouth. And so yeah, this is the inside. I just love how Louis Vuitton and the damier ebène use that red. That red is just gorgeous. But this is the inside. I have my strap in here right now. And I also have the dust bag that holds the key, or it held the lock, but it has my key inside. But when I leave the house, I leave this because I don't want to lose my key, even though I'm not gonna lock my purse up because I just never leave it sitting around. And so yeah, so this is my Speedy Bandolier 25, and I just love her so much. I will have a comparison video between my classic Speedy 30 and the Speedy 25 Bandolier coming up in the near future. Wow, in the near future. Words have meanings. But yeah, in the near future, I will have the comparison video between my Speedy Classic Monogram and the Speedy 25 Bandolier. And then I'll also have in the upcoming future a detailed review on the wear and tear of this bag, because I will be carrying this for a month straight. And then I'll have all the details and what also fits inside of this bag. So here is my adjustable. If you haven't gotten the gist of this video, your girl loves crossbody things and anything that comes with adjustable straps. Because I just realized how many times I've said adjustable strap in this video. Just saying. So here is the Damier Ebene adjustable strap, and it also comes in gold hardware, D rings that attaches to the bag. And even though I have my lock on the side of the bag, the strap goes on nicely and the lock is not taking up too much space. I would love to add like a luggage tag charm to this bag. I think that would be so cute. I don't have a luggage charm tag or a luggage tag yet, and I want one, and I want one in this chocolate leather. I think that would be so cute on my Speedy. I see a lot of people on YouTube who have this bag that's that, and I'm just like, so cute. But I'm about to try this bag on for you so you can see where it falls on a girl that is 5'3". So yeah, I hope you guys liked what you saw with my Speedy 25 Bandolier Damier Ebene bag in gold hardware. Well, it only comes in gold hardware, but I just really love her. I really love her. I totally think she's worth the money because it is such a timeless classic piece. And this is the last item I bought myself for my birthday this year, and I'm so pleased with both of my purchases. They're both very timeless classic pieces that can constantly grow within the new trends that come along and without time, and there's something that can be passed on to your kids, your grandkids, and so forth. And I'm just really happy. Like I said before, with all my items that I showed today, I will post the links to all the items and the details of each bag in the description box, so please make sure you read that. And if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you just want to click on that little bell button to get notified every time I post a video, that would be great. And man, I love you guys so much, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video, babes. Bye.